Ever trying to up my production value for this channel, I saw a video recently on the channel Travel Feels about cheap Steadycams, and it got me thinking. After a little researching, I found this Neewer carbon fiber stabilizer on Amazon for 75 bucks. I thought I'd give it a go. Now, I've been burned on cheap camera gear in the past, but I was really impressed with the quality on this one. It's carbon fiber and aluminum, and it just feels good. After mounting my camera to the plate, I started the balancing process. Now, there are a ton of videos on balancing these, so I'm not going to pollute your feed with another one. But basically, the gimbal you hold is a fulcrum, and the plate on the top and weights on the bottom, as well as the length of the boom, are infinitely adjustable. After fiddling with it for a bit, I got everything balanced and shot some B-roll. Well, I'll just let the footage speak for itself. Alright guys, that's it for this time. I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of a review and some B-roll footage with this $75 camera stabilizer. It's a Neewer 24-inch camera stabilizer, much in the way of the style of the Steadycams or glide cams or fly cams or whatever you want to call them. But I think this is a pretty good investment for getting more cinematic footage at a higher frame rate at 120 frames per second, and then editing in a 24 frames per second timeline in whatever video editing software that you like to use. The much more expensive kind of name brands of these, do I think they're worth the much more money? To a professional, absolutely. Yes, there are some great features on, say, the Steadicam HD 2000 and HD 4000. But for the Joe Schmoes in our basements, I think this $75 carbon fiber 24-inch camera stabilizer, it comes with everything you need except for the camera, is well worth the money. And I'm going to be using this a lot. It's going to take some practice to get used to. Using one of these is not inherently easy. It takes some finesse, but I think it's really cool. So if you like these kind of film tip Fridays, Film School Friday tips, let me know and I'll start doing more of them on maybe my video editing and how I shoot and what I shoot and lighting and all that goodness. Let me know in the comments section and I'll be sure to make some more. If you don't like this, also let me know in the comments section, because if you guys don't like them, I'm not going to keep making them. So that's it. Until next time, guys, I'm Will Walker. This is the William Walker Company Project channel. I'll see you guys real soon. Thanks for watching.